everyone, welcome to TikLog. So today in this video I'll show you how to post Instagram story from PC or desktop. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up web browser. You can use any of the web browser. For now I'm using Chrome web browser. So here on source bar, search for instagram.com. It will land up you to the official website of Instagram. So here, make sure you have logged in with your ID. Now go to create option located on left corner. Click on it. Now you can upload photo, video. Simply tap and select from your computer and here select your video or photo. So here you can clearly see that there is no option to post story. You cannot post a story on web-based Instagram application. To post a story, you need to convert web-based Instagram application into mobile-based Instagram application. For that, you need to open new tab and here search for download Insist. So here you can see first link, click on it. Now it will open up the official website of Insist. So here click on add to Chrome. It will add to your Chrome browser. Now go back to Instagram and here on bottom right corner you can see open Insist. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, your web-based Instagram application will be changed into mobile-based Instagram application. Now go to home page. Simply tap on home icon on bottom left corner. Now go to the plus icon located on topmost. Here select story and select the video or photos that you want to post. Now tap on add to your story. Next tap on your story on top left corner. So here it is your story. So this is how you can post a story on Instagram from PC or laptop.